Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good morning to everyone here.
Yang berusaha Tuan Haji Principal of Eluatul Quran, respected teachers, beloved students and honored guests, welcome to the closing ceremony of the Theatre Spell Competition 2026. First, I would like to invite Ustaz Hafid Ismail to recite the doa. Please welcome.
النبي الكريم وأصحابه الكرام الفاتحة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين والعاقبة للمتقين والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan kami merafakkan kesyukuran kepada-Mu kerana dengan izin dan rahmat-Mu kami dapat berkumpul dan menyempurnakan pertandingan Dare to Spell peringkat daerah Tangkap pada hari ini. Ya Allah, jadikanlah usaha kami dalam menjayakan pertandingan ini sebagai satu ibadah yang diterima di sisi-Mu. Berkatilah ilmu dan pengalaman yang diperolehi pada hari ini. Kepada yang berjaya tahniah diucapkan, dan teruskanlah usaha di kejayaan dan untuk mendapatkan kejayaan di peringkat yang lebih tinggi. Manakala yang belum berjaya, jadikanlah ia pembakar semangat untuk berusaha dengan lebih gigih pada masa akan datang. Ya Allah, kurniakanlah kepada kami kesihatan yang baik, kesejahteraan dan perlindungan, dan satukanlah kami yang semua yang berada pada hari ini. Eratkanlah ukhuwah di antara kami dan bimbinglah kami ke arah kecemerlangan yang berterusan. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina adzabannar. Sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa baraka wa sallam. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Qadallahu bina.
Thank you. All, with great pleasure, we invite our principal of SMB Eluatul Quran to deliver the closing address and officially conclude today's program.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. We are at the end of this program, but I still want to welcome all of you to this school, and I am very proud to be the host of this program. And I would like to congratulate all teachers and students which participate at this program, and may all of you can get benefit from this program, especially in practicing English in your daily life, because nowadays English become more important, especially not just in using gadgets. I assume that many of us will be more comfortable to use English language in our gadgets besides our mother tongue language. So I hope that every student will really can get more experience from this program, Dare to Spell, and you will be inshallah good also in examination. And that's all I want to speak. Thank you for English Panitia for Daerah Tangkap, and if there is any problem during your existence in the school, I would like to I would like to apologize. We are very sorry for you if maybe less of drinks of food. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, and I close this program. And I would like to close this program, and congratulations to those will maybe receive congratulations to all participants. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for your inspiring words and unwavering support. We would like to ask the principal, accompanied by our chief judge, to stay in front for the prize giving ceremony.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the prize giving ceremony. We would like to call upon the participants to receive their certificate of participation. Congratulations to all our contestants for their participation and courage in today's competition. Anissa Nur Iman binti Anas from SMK Tengku Mahmud Iskandar. Siti Farah Kanisha binti Nur Zaidi from SMK Pesisiran Perdana. Akila Madiha binti Marzuardi from SM Science Muang. Muhammad Ishraq Haikal bin Ahmad from SMK Tun Sri Lanang. Dafina Amni binti Muhammad Rizal from SMA Syamsuddin. Siti Nur Aminah binti Abdullah from SMA Darul Ulum. Sudarshanan anak lelaki Murali from SMK Sagir Tangka. Muhammad Nur Hasif bin Muhammad Faizul from SMK Ledang. Fatimah Az-Zahra binti Muhammad Nazri from SMA Lughatul Quran. Auni Amani binti Nur Azizul from SMK Tengku Temenggung Ahmad. Haris Mikael bin Bahrain from SMA Lughatil Arabiyah.
Next, to our respected judges for their time, guidance, and fair evaluation throughout the event. First, let's welcome our Chief Judge, Madam Rafidah binti Buang. Miss Sufiana binti Ramli. And Miss Ainur Syahira binti Muhammad Abdul Razak.
And finally, a certificate of appreciation to our dedicated Master Speller, Madam Nur Syairah binti Rahim, for conducting the competition with excellence and clarity.
Thank you and congratulations to all the recipients.
We will now proceed with the announcement of winners in the following categories, beginning with the consolation prizes.
We begin with the second consolation prize awarded to Badrisha Yasmin binti Ahmad Rizal from SMK Sri Lanka.
Next, the first consolation prize goes to Fadlur Rahman bin Faisal from SMK Tun Mahmud.
Moving on, the third place is awarded to Nur Aisyah Azmi binti Abdullah from SMK Paribukan.
Taking home the second place is Tan Hong Yi Clement from SMK Pewa. Congratulations.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the title of Champion of the Dare to Spell Competition 2026 goes to Taizin Lin from SMK Bukit Gambir. Congratulations!
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to all our winners and participants for their effort and appreciation.
As we conclude today's ceremony, let us carry forward the spirit of Dare to Spell, a reminder that learning can be both challenging and enjoyable.
Thank you to all teachers, students, judges and guests for your support and cooperation for today's event.
With that, we have really concluded the end of Dare to Spell competition for 2026.
Until we meet again, continue learning, continue growing and keep shining through the power of words.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.
We now invite all winners, participants, teachers and officials for a group photo session.
Saya nak ambil semua sekali, ambil gambar pakai apa? Ada white kan? Kalau nak senang, saya ambil daripada depan, terus saya tembak semua. So tak payah abang-abang, tak payah pindah, tak payah nak set up. White. about a short video. Then to spare 2000.
Okay, winners or any participants, if you want to take picture in front with the backdrop, okay, you may do so. And the tag is for yours, okay, you can keep the tag. Next. Okay, you can choose if you want to change the background.
Tahun ni berhenti tak? Tahun ni berhenti tak?
Cuma dah ada dekat. Ha? Dah ada dekat.
Oh, dia book.
Kalau tak habis tak habis.